Hi, I'm Janice Ellenboss, and February is National Dental Health Month for dogs. And one of my all-time favorite myths to dispel is that kibble helps clean dogs' teeth, and that's just absolutely not so. And I've often said that eating crackers for us would be like cleaning our teeth. We don't do that, and we shouldn't do that to our dogs. So the very first thing I wanted to start with is that every single day we need to clean our dog's teeth, and it can start with something very, very simple, like your finger into the dog's mouth so that they understand the idea of having their mouth touched, and that's especially important as a puppy. And then graduating to maybe a Q-tip or a toothbrush, and in my dog's case, an electric toothbrush. But all of these are super effective for getting that thin layer of film that is on the dog's teeth that contains bacteria, can eventually get underneath the gum line and create gingivitis or bacterial infection in the mouth. So I just wanted to show you the way you can get started. Come here, Murph. Come here, sweetheart. With Murphy when he was a baby, he's 10 years old at the moment, but when he was a baby I used to just go in there, touch his mouth, make sure he was comfortable with everything, and then we started to use a Q-tip to get in there and just take again that film off. And you can see again he's 10 years old, and although he has a little bit of staining, he has no tartar buildup on his teeth. His teeth are healthy and white and beautiful. And then you can graduate, come here, sweetheart, to use a toothbrush. And some people use a kitty toothbrush. If your dog is really small, you can use a child's pediatric toothbrush. And just go in there and make sure that you brush right at the gum line, just to get all that little bit of film off and some bacteria. And the moisture in the mouth helps to remove the bacteria, so that's why a good moist diet is important and not dry kibble, which actually helps bacteria cling to the teeth. So moisture is really important to help rinse off the teeth and rinse off the bacteria. So that was with a regular toothbrush. What do you think of that, Murph? But he is used to, of all things, an electric toothbrush. Come here, sweetheart. And he is used to this, and he's had this done since he was a baby. So we can get in there and clean his teeth pretty easily. He's a good boy, aren't you, darling? So we do this every night. Come here, Molly. Molly, let's do your teeth. Come on over here. Come on, big girl. Atta girl. Can you see what can do your teeth? Yes, you do. You sit so nicely. And she always comes and knows when it's her time for her teeth brushing. And she comes and sits and lets me get in there. And you can tell it doesn't take long to get in there, especially if you do it every day. And you don't need anything special. You don't need doggy toothpaste. You certainly don't need to use people toothpaste. That's a no-no, especially because it has lots of preservatives and sugars in it. So just a regular toothbrush, nothing fancy. Get in there and remove that little bit of film. And you can see dogs are pretty comfortable with it. Once you get them used to the toothbrush, they're pretty happy with it. It's just a matter of slowly getting used to it. Here's such. You want to take the toothbrush? Okay, off you go. See ya. Thanks for watching. Remember, brush your dog's teeth every single day. There is absolutely no substitute for that, for a clean, healthy mouth, and it prevents so many diseases later on. Thanks. Bye.